So, good day everyone. My name is Raymond Felipe Solano, and this day I will discuss the entrance and signage and office layout in administrative inspection. First is ang definitions. So, entrance generally refers to a point or place of access. So, this includes doors, gates, and entryways. Next is ang signage. Encompasses any type of visual communication used to convey information to an audience. So, ginagamit niya siya to inform, guide, and to direct people. Entrance and signage. So, in the context of administrative inspections, the conduct of inspections for entrances and signage involve ensuring compliance with established standards, regulations, and codes. So, kanisya na inspections are essential for maintaining safety, operational efficiency, and customer experience. So, next is ang layout. An office layout refers to arrangement of desks, chairs, and other equipments within an office space reflecting the organization's functions and team interactions. So, giingon diri na it refers to arrangements sa mga desks, chairs, and other equipments. So, pasabot ani is para naay safety and comfort ang office sa isa ka trabahante. Para naa sila'y privacy, like butangan sa ilang mga gamit, like phone, important file or documents. And dapat ang office layout is safety, like security, like security camera, security guards. Kay if comfortable ang isa ka organization sa ilahang office layout, mas nindot ang efficiency and productivity sa mga trabahante sa organization. So, office layout in administrative inspections, the office layout is evaluated to ensure promote safety, efficiency, and compliance with regulations. And that's all. Thank you.